we're on battery boxes today. Lightweight battery boxes, hopefully. This is a bit of a replica of Sibfishing UK's box. Only difference is I've opted for a lithium battery. Anybody that does know me or has been out fishing with me, they'll recognise that battery. That's a 20 amp hour, 12 volt lead acid. Yeah, it weighs a ton. Downsized to a 7 amp hour lead acid battery. Just not man enough for the job. I upgraded the fish finder recently to a Lowrance Hook Reveal 5, I believe. Half a day and the battery's dead, like you getting low voltage and flashing screen. So yeah, we've upgraded to an 8 amp hour 12 volt lithium ion battery. The weight difference already is phenomenal. All in a waterproof box. It's switched, so you power everything up. I've opted for a dual USB charging port, which has its own built-in switch. Power on, also got a voltage meter. The other good thing about that is you can charge your GoPros or your vapes in Sibfishing Adventures UK's case, or your mobiles. You could even plug your VHF radio in and charge that up in, you know, dire straits. Power for the fish finder, SAE connector, simple, you know, splash proof. Yeah, looking forward to getting out and testing it out. Cheers guys.